The preposition in is used with seasons, in the spring, in the winter, with months, in January, in February, with years, in 2023, in the 90s, times of day, in the morning, in the afternoon, cities and countries, in New York, in England. The preposition on is used with days, on Monday, on Tuesday, with dates, on January 1st, on March 3rd, with holidays, on my birthday, on Christmas, with surfaces, on the floor, on the wall, navigation, on streets, on highways. The preposition at is used with times, 3 p.m., at noon, locations, at school, at work. The preposition to is used with locations, to school, to work.